Go on then, go down the other end. Go where Olive is, right down there. This way, this way. This way, go that way and then come back. That's it, go on then. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Where's your scooter? Huh? Where's your scooter?
Wow, we're at home today.
Do you want to go back down there again and come back?
Yeah.
Go back down that way and then come back again.
I'm going to come back. I'll go down.